Stop making that noise.
Not me.
Okay, shut the fuck up, dumb fuck. Oh, he's snoring on his dad's dick. That's why it makes that little echo.
He's snoring like a fucking bear.
Who's over there snoring like a pig, bro?
Mush potatoes, be quiet.
He's just fucking snoring.
Who's freaking snoring?
Yo, this nigga knocked down. How the fuck he joined this?
Dude, who the fuck is snoring?
Who the fuck snores like that?
Who the fuck is snoring? Stop that shit. Loud is fucking annoying. Mosh, as cool as your gamer tag is, I will fucking eat you.
Shut the fuck up already, bitch.
You can't put
Munch potatoes. I'm not a fake amuse you. Shut the fuck up already.
You're just sneezing and shit like an idiot. The 0-0. He's so asleep playing, dog. Look. He's at 0-0.
Who the fuck is snoring like a fat ass cow?
Who the fuck is making them goddamn annoying sounds? Sounds like I have a cock in the mouth. Okay, can you please stop doing that? Wake your ass up. Hey, Sleepy Beauty. Wake your ass up.
Who the fuck is breathing on their mic, you fat fuck? Niggas think he's sleeping and shit? Get the fuck out of here. Nigga, we know damn well your stupid ass ain't sleeping. Nigga sound like he sucking dick.
Wow.
Your man's sucking dick over there, you hear him? Everybody know niggas don't whistle when they snore, dog. That's bullshit. Fucking fat bitch. Nigga fat as shit. This guy, mashed potatoes. Listen to him, yo. Yeah, he sound funny as shit though. Yo, this nigga. Yo, this nigga snore different every fucking time, yo. Yo, I'm muting this. Somebody put a dick in his mouth so he could die. Nigga still snoring.
I swear to God, if these motherfuckers don't move, I'm fucking out of here. Yeah, these fags aren't moving, dude. I'm out of here.
Stop talking. Be quiet. I know he's just saying it because he was in there was like pussy.
I did just fucking sleep.
You hear this shit? This dude just sleep.
Man, who that nigga snoring?
My God, shut up, mashed potatoes.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut up! You shut up! Oh my God, is he literally asleep?
What the fuck? Most potatoes, you can fix it up, piss me the fuck off.
Hey, Mush, wake your ass up, nigga.
Damn, somebody went to sleep on their head. Wake up.
Nigga,
Huh?
who the fuck?
I got the bubble. Who the fuck is that snoring like that?
Hey, who the hell is that snoring? Somebody shake that nigga, man.